If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Monster 2026, follow these steps to gain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the login page. Go to the Monster 2026 login page using your web browser. Enter your username and password to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Select Forgot Two-Factor Authentication. On the login screen, look for the option that says Forgot Two-Factor Authentication or a similar link. Click on it to initiate the reset process. Step 3. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to confirm your identity. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Once your identity is verified, you will receive instructions on how to reset your two-factor authentication settings. This may include setting up a new authentication method or re-enabling your previous one. Step 5. Confirm changes. After completing the reset process, log in again to ensure that two-factor authentication is functioning correctly. You may need to enter a new verification code to confirm that the changes have been applied. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your two-factor authentication on Monster 2026 successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.